Today we will talk about oracles in the crypto world. Blockchain oracles link smart contracts to external sources. They are a kind of bridge between the blockchain and the outside world. By itself, the blockchain cannot receive data outside of its network. But there are different circumstances in which a connection with external sources is necessary, and here oracles are of great use. Oracles help expand the functionality of smart contracts and improve the value of the project system. It is worth noting that the oracle is not a source of data, it is only a guide from one world to another. For example, Harry and Stan made a bet on which team would win the England versus Switzerland soccer match. They encode part of their funds in a smart contract, which at the end of the game will determine the winner by transferring the entire amount of the win to him. At this moment, the oracle starts to work. Since the smart contract cannot interact with an external source and make a request to the trusted API to find out which team won, and transfers this information to the smart contract. After that, the funds are transferred to Harry or Stan depending on the result. The oracle is a vital mechanism for society's adoption of blockchain technology on a global scale.